Hello world, this is Coco Martech, and in this video we are going to unbox one of the most trending smartphones of the year, which is the Realme 3. So before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified for new videos. Also, this is not a sponsored video, obviously, since I am just a starting channel. I am just using my own funds to get new phones to review for you guys. And I have no idea what to expect when opening this box. The Realme 3 has 4 color variants. It has the black, the dynamic black, the radiant blue, and the diamond red. And today, ang unbox natin is the dynamic black. So this model also has the 3 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Pero meron din 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. And meron din 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. So now, buksan na natin tong Realme box using my pair of scissors. Kailangan ko din kasi kagad ma-unbox to kasi hinahanap ni Kuya Amor ng Realme kiosk yung warranty card para sa kanya. Yan, matanggal na natin. Meron pa bang seal dito? Ayan, let's go. Oh, actually gusto ko yung kulay niya na yellow and gray since fan ako ng gray, pero hindi ako kasing fan ng yellow. Pero maganda yung color combination niya. So, meron kang box dito. Yan. So, ito may Realme box dito. Merong mga social media icons sa ilalim. So, tignan natin ano laman nito. Oh, meron ka free jelly case. And quick start guide. And important information guide. So, hindi naman natin to kailangan basahin. Well, kailangan pero wala man nagbabasa. And you also have the SIM ejector tool. Okay, next. Oh, you also have the phone itself. Pero mamaya na natin buksan. So, meron kang cardboard dito. Para saan ba yan? And you have the power brick and micro USB cable. So of course, this is a budget smartphone. Sana naghahalaga lang ng 7,000 pesos or 6,990, diba? Sobrang affordable niya and maganda yung specs. So you don't have to expect a perfect smartphone. Okay na rin naman yung micro USB, ma-charge mo pa rin naman yung phone mo. So yun lang yung laman ng box. Yung box niya kasi simple lang pero rock. Simple lang pero appealing siya kasi malinis, diba? Gray and yellow. Yan. Sa gilid may mga Realme lang. Sa harap 3 lang and Realme. So ngayon, tanggalan na natin yung plastic. Kung may narinig kayo ingay sa background, yung aso ko yun. Oh. So, ito yung dynamic black. Para siyang may gradient sa baba na blue and black sa taas. Para siyang Vivo Y15 na in-unbox ko sa isang video. So, at the sides, you have, at the right side of the phone, you have the volume rocker and SIM card tray. Pero hindi siya masyadong kita kasi nagbe-blend yung colors niya. At the left side, you have the power button. Sa taas, wala kang makikita sa taas. Sa baba, you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, yung bottom firing speakers, and yung USB port, micro USB port. So, buksan na natin yung phone. In the front pala, you have a water drop notch. And meron kang speakers pala sa taas, sa taas ng notch. I'm not sure kung speaker siya or yung para sa audio for calling. Pero it's a 6.22 in diagonal screen IPS LCD. And meron kang malaking notch sa ilalim. And yung phone parang meron siyang, hindi ko alam kung naka-install na itong tawag dito. So, install natin yung phone. So, select language, English, and then select region, then select connect to Wi-Fi. Lagay lang natin yung Wi-Fi. Ano nga ba yung password? So also, if you're interested in buying this phone, I'll be putting the link down in the description para pwede nyo nang bilhin directly from my affiliate link. So ito na, after ma-input yung Wi-Fi, ma-connect sa Wi-Fi. Terms of use. So just accept. So checking for updates. Checking info. So hindi ko talaga expect ano yung paggamit na to. I think this is a Color OS. Sign in sa Google, skip na lang muna. Google services, accept. So meron tayong fingerprint and face and passcode. So input natin ngayon and then check natin mamaya kung mabilis ba. So ito yung enrolling face info. Ang cute. Continue. So ito siya, hanapin yung face mo. Okay, so tatapat mo lang tapos alam niya na. So turning on to turn on screen is recommended to facilitate the use of facial recognition. So may kailangan ka pang i-turn on na settings na tawag ay raise to turn on screen para mas madali mo magamit yung face recognition. So next is fingerprint. So adding a fingerprint. So yung fingerprint sensor pala niya is nasa taas sa likod and meron kang triple setup camera. Triple ba to? Dalawa lang pala, yung isa flash. Yan. So, dalawa sa taas and may flash sa ilalim. Okay, next. So, add a fingerprint. Use a fingerprint instead of a passcode. So, place your finger on the sensor. Place your finger on the fingerprint button and then move it away when you feel vibration. Adjust the holding position. Ito yung mga usual na setup pa naglalagay ng fingerprint. So, check din natin mamaya kung mabilis siya. So, done. Yan, done. Done. Done, 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 done. Happy yun. Corny. Wi-Fi assistant, keep software updates, auto update overnight. As off muna natin. Import data. So may option ka to import from a previous phone or set as a new Realme phone. So dun tayo sa new Realme phone. And then meron kang mga bibigyan ka ng options kung ano yung mga pwede mong install ka agad. So from the app market, so these are the apps that we have selected for you. So pwede mong pindutin o hindi. Mamaya na lang tayo mag-install ng games and apps. So welcome to Realme 6 Color OS 6. Yun pala yung pangalan ng OS. So wala talagang idea sa expect dito. I know dapat nag-research ako pero iba pa rin kasi yung nahawakan mo on hand yung phone. Ang gusto ko sa phone na to is meron siyang app drawer. Yung may slide taas pa ba para sa apps. Actually good buy siya. Kasi mabilis nga yung processor and ganda ng screen. Kailangan mo makita in person. So I highly recommend this phone. So later, I'll be posting a full review of the phone. So magte-test ako ng mga apps, ng games. So right now, test lang natin yung fingerprint and yung face unlock. So for the face unlock, meron kang two options. Kung pipindutin mo yung power button, tapos tatapat mo yung face mo, and then isa-swipe up mo pa yung phone para mabuksan. So medyo hassle siya. Pero meron ka pang isang option which is direct your face. Directly with your face. So pwede mo siya mabuksan sa ma-turn on sa settings. I-search nyo lang face dun sa settings. So turn on na lang natin yung direct kasi ang hassle kapag ang hassle kapag pipindutin mo yung power button tapos titingin ka tapos swipe pa, di ba? Ano pang use nung face unlock pag sobrang tagal? So test natin yung face unlock. So pipindutin ko yung power button in 1, 2, 3. Okay, hindi kita kasi sobrang slanted nung camera. Hindi na siya nakikita. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sobrang bilis. 1, 2, 3. Sobrang bilis niya. Parang pagkapindot ka pala ng power button, nakikita niya na yung face ko. So that's a plus. So that's a plus. So check naman natin yung fingerprint. So gamit pa tayo na isa pang phone para makita natin kung mabilis talaga. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Last. 1, 2, 3. Oo. So, ang bilis niya, yung face unlock and fingerprint, sobrang bilis niya. Actually, dun pa lang, di ba? 6,990, mabilis yung phone. Ang ganda ng screen, ang ganda ng build. Sa likod is actually made from plastic, pero of course, again, for the price of 6,990, okay siya, good buy siya for me. So I'll be doing a separate video for the full review of the phone. So magta-test tayo ng apps, yung camera kung okay ba. So stay tuned for that. I also be doing another unboxing of the Realme C2. So ito, I'll be doing a separate unboxing for the Realme C2 and another full review and the camera test. So stay tuned for that. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about the Realme 3. Kung meron kayo nito, share your experiences about the phone. Or kung planning kayo bumili nito, let me know kung bakit nyo nagustuhan yung phone. Thank you for watching. This is Coco Martech and I'll see you in the next video.